Picture Windows Lafayette offers a stunning view and enhances the aesthetic appeal of any home. Our custom window designs cater to both residential and commercial needs, ensuring that every client receives the perfect fit for their space. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority, reducing energy costs and improving comfort in your home or business. For those seeking window replacement services in Lafayette, our team provides comprehensive residential window solutions like Picture Windows Lafayette. We also specialize in commercial window services, ensuring that businesses in Lafayette, LA have access to top-quality window installations. Our window replacement Lafayette services are second to none, addressing issues with double-pane windows and more. Bay window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Lafayette, LA, adding both space and light to any room. Our window frame replacement services ensure that your windows remain secure and functional. Glass window services in Lafayette include everything from installation to maintenance, keeping your windows in top condition. Window maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your windows, and our team in Lafayette, LA is here to help. Insulated windows provide excellent thermal performance, and our window sealing services ensure that your home remains energy efficient. Lafayette window upgrades are available for those looking to enhance their property's value and efficiency. Our window consultation services in Lafayette offer expert advice on the best window design options for your home or business. Window fitting services ensure a perfect installation every time, while window glass replacement in Lafayette addresses any damage or wear. Lafayette window hardware replacement keeps your windows operating smoothly. Window installation experts in Lafayette, LA provide a range of window-style options to suit any taste. Window tinting services offer privacy and UV protection, while Lafayette window weatherproofing ensures your windows withstand the elements. Window cleaning. Lafayette services keep your windows sparkling and clear. Lafayette window replacement services are tailored to meet the needs of each client, ensuring satisfaction and quality. Residential windows. Lafayette are available in a variety of styles and materials, while commercial windows Lafayette cater to businesses of all sizes. Lafayette window replacement services address any issues promptly and efficiently. Picture Windows Lafayette are a beautiful addition to any home, offering unobstructed views and natural light. Custom windows Lafayette are designed to meet your specific needs, whether for residential or commercial properties. Energy-efficient windows Lafayette help reduce energy bills and improve indoor comfort.